how to turn on or turn off wireless emergency alerts, extreme or severe threats on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. From here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on notifications. Then tap on advanced settings. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on wireless emergency alerts. From here, make sure you turn on allow alerts. Then we scroll down and tap on extreme threats to turn it off or switch it on. You can also turn on or turn off severe threats. So severe threats to life and property. So turn it on to receive alerts. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.